Welcome. We are doing question from GATE 2017 from electrical engineering branch. So it says that the switch in figure was closed for a long time. So this switch was closed for a long time. It is opened at t equal to 0. We have to find the current in inductor of 2 Henry for t greater than 0. So initially the switch was closed. So we will close the switch. Initially the switch was closed. And the switch was closed for a long time, so it is a steady state. So in steady state the inductor behaves as a short circuit. In steady state the inductor behaves as a short circuit. So now you can see, now these 32 and 32 they are in parallel, so now they are redundant. Now they are of no use because they are in parallel with the short circuit, so we can remove them. So now the equivalent resistance is 8 ohm and 8 ohm. These are in parallel. So it will become 4 ohm and this 6 ohm in series. So total 10 ohm and voltage is 50 volt. So this current will be 5 ampere. This current will be 5 ampere. Now this 5 ampere will get divided equally between these two 8 ohm resistances. So this current is 2.5 ampere. So IL of 0 minus is equal to 2.5 ampere. It means the inductor current just before the switch was closed is 2.5 ampere. Just before the switch was opened. Now we will move to the second case or the second part of the question. The switch is opened at t equal to 0. So now this switch was opened. So this 6 ohm resistance and this 50 volt source are now gone because this switch is open. So we have now this circuit. So now the circuit reduces to this. Okay, and this is also 8. And this is inductor of 2 Henry. So now this becomes a source free circuit. Now this becomes a source free circuit. There is now no source in the circuit. Neither there is no voltage source and also there is no current source. So there is no independent source. So the current across the inductor will be a decaying potential. We have to find the current in inductor for t greater than 0. So the current in the inductor will be decaying exponential. So if you want to find tau equal to L by R. L is 2 and if we have to find R, then we can find like this. 32 in parallel with 32 is 16 and 8 are in series, so it's 16. Then this 16 and this 16 are in parallel, so total 8 ohm. So 2 by 8 equal to 1 by 4. So e to the power minus t by tau equal to e to the power minus 4t, because the value of tau or the time constant is minus 1 upon 4. So the inductor current IL for t greater than 0 becomes 2.5 e to the power minus 4t. So in this way we can find the inductor current. So this was a very easy question. Thank you. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel.